right. Hello, everybody. So this is the video walkthrough for the crafting a standout resume with AI enhancement assignment. This assignment, there is detailed instructions for within when you click into it. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to do three things. I'm going to share the resources for why to use AI when making a resume. Then I'll go through the instructions. And then I will share some example resumes using this kind of methodology. So, how companies use AI in resume screening. This is very important in modern day. Every company, every big corporation is going to use some level of what's called an ATS system, which would be an automated tracking system. This is even before AI. This has been around for a while, where anytime recruiters receive a large amount of applications, there will be some kind of AI protocol that will assess the results, assess all the applications, looking for things like a keyword matching, semantic analysis, skills assessment, customization detection. So what are these things? So AI will scan the content of submitted resumes to identify specific keywords, phrases, and qualifications. Research resumes with higher match percentage are ranked higher. So therefore, we can use AI to be ranked higher, making sure that we have all the keywords that whatever the business is looking for. Semantic analysis, and AI understands context. For instance, project manager, management projects are recognized semantically similar. So you might consider how it is that you describe your previous job descriptions, right? You might use different words than for one company than you would for another company. Skills assessment, AI ranks candidates based on the relevance and proficiency of their skills, focuses matching on these job requirements. And customization detection, this is a very important one. The AI detects if resume has been customized for a specific role. Favor those who show an intention in their application. So when an application has clearly been tailored towards a specific role that you're applying for, this is something that that will be picked up as well. Okay. More experience timeline analysis. AI analyzes the progression of job titles, roles during each position, everything in your resume. Cultural fit assessment. Advanced AI tools assess tone, even how you phrase things in your cover letter. Reducing bias, AI removes names, photos, and other personal identifiers. Aim is to reduce unconscious bias and ensure a more equitable process. Integration with online profiles, AI tools integrate with platforms like LinkedIn, takes into account endorsements, recommendations, and network. So actually being able to validate that which you put on your resume with other online ways to corroborate whatever it might be that you put on your resume, right? AI versus traditional screening, presentations, and communication tools that can be used as lectures, speeches, resources, and more. It all depends on how the purpose of your presentation. So AI can quickly analyze vast quantities of resumes against multiple parameters with high accuracy. Traditional methods are more time-consuming, subjective, and prone to bias. So these are reasons for why recruiters do this, right? So it makes sense. Imagine if you were hiring, on a hiring committee, hiring for a position and you had 100 applications coming in, you would want to use some kind of screening, some kind of AI tool to be able to assess which are the best right off the bat, right? If you're going to have to go through 100. Okay? So there's that. Now, using Canva for resumes. We're going to use Canva to create our resume for this assignment. The benefits and drawbacks of creating a resume in Canva. There are pros and cons. Welcome to the world of resume design with Canva. Overview of the benefits of creating a resume in Canva. User-friendly interface. We all know this. Drag and drop interface, easy to learn, easy for beginners. I think we all know this about Canva. Professional templates, this is the big one, is that there's over 1,000 resumes to choose from. I'll show you that in a second, but tailored for different industries and job titles, customized to fit your personal brand. So you don't want to just click any single one. You want to click the one that is going to be best for your different industry or job title. Stand out from the crowd, create visually appealing resumes that grab attention. The Canva resumes are quite a bit bigger than quite a bit more visually appealing than resumes that might have been made in Microsoft Word. Definitely an enhancement there. Time-saving features, pre-built layouts, and also the idea is that once you get quick with Canva, then you're unstoppable. and you're able to make things so quickly once you're able to, like, once you've mastered using Canva and feel confident with it. Okay, collaboration and sharing. Of course, everyone knows you're able to collaborate really well with Canva and do the shared link. We're used to that, and anyone with a link can view. Very important. Mobile app convenience, of course, being able to see it on your iOS device and there. Drawbacks, and this is not a great one, but specific file formats, because you can always download whatever file you want. So PDF export may not be compatible with some applicant tracking systems. That is actually true. Some PDFs from Canva, like some templates, might be less compatible with different tracking systems. Some are and some aren't. Complex designs, non-traditional layouts might not be ATS friendly. I'll give you some examples of that. Like if you have a paragraph that is in a template in Canva, then when the ATS gets it, it might not be like, for example, they might have all the words, but instead of it being like a paragraph form, now it's like a column because it was a column form like in Canva, if that makes sense. Okay. So it is better to err on the side of like simplicity. So like when you're doing that and not go too overboard with like columns and such, text boxes and things that are wider are better elements within your template or within your resume, because you do want to think that it is going to go through an ATS system most likely. Even like smaller corporations will have this. So yes, very important. Okay, and that is the pros and cons of Canva with resumes, but we're going to do Canva. So if I click into the assignment itself, the objective to refine and enhance your resume using AI insights, focusing on creating a compelling profile section and ensuring the entire resume is optimized for both automated tracking systems and human recruiters. So basically part 1 and part 2, pretty simple. In part 1, you develop a persuasive profile statement that encapsulates your qualifications, strengths, and career objectives, utilizing AI for feedback enhancement. So how you do this is you write 3 to 4 sentences that focus on your key strength, qualifications, and what you aim to achieve in your career. This should be concise and impactful. And then simply you submit that to AI. Prompt to AI: I'm a college entrepreneurship student working on my resume. Please review and enhance my profile statement to ensure it's compelling and aligns with my career objectives. And then within quotation marks, following that, insert what you just wrote, 3 to 4 sentences, profile statement, and then record the suggestions provided. Okay, revise your profile statement based on the AI's suggestions. That's part 1. So now at the end of it, you just have the one profile statement with the AI that's optimized with AI. Now with this, we'll now go to resume refinement with ATS and human recruiters. Apply AI insights and technical strategies to refine your resume, ensuring ATS compatibility and appeal to hiring managers. Comprehensive AI review. So now, prompt for ChatGPT. Now critique my entire resume. So you upload your entire resume. At this point, go and build it in Canva. And to do this, I mean, for example, I type in if I'm home, and then I type in resume, and you see all these different options. And so the first ones will be pro, but then you'll have ones that are not pro. So say I wanted to go with this one. I like this one. Customize this template. And then now I would just go in and I would simply change all of this is in Latin, and I would change all of this Latin. I would put my 3 to 4 sentences there, and then my experiences here, references down here, skills, languages, and I would submit this to the AI, and I would ask for feedback. Okay. That's part 2. Make adjustments based on the AI's feedback. Focus on ATS-friendly formatting, strategic keyword uses, and effectively demonstrating your achievements and skills. Finalize your resume, ensuring it includes a compelling profile and optimized based on AI feedback. And then simply submit your enhanced resume in PDF format here. Include a brief reflection in the text entry box, max 500 words, discussing the changes based on AI feedback, the rationale behind these changes, and how you anticipate these enhancements will improve your resume's effectiveness. The grading criteria, you can read all of this. Impact and alignment of profile section, overall quality and ATS compatibility of resume, integration of application of AI feedback. Additional notes: focus on reflecting on your unique value proposition in the profile section. Ensure your resume is optimized for ATS and formatted in a way that is visually appealing and easy to read for human recruiters. Consider industry-specific keywords and how your experience and skills align with potential job opportunities. This assignment is designed to leverage AI insights to create a more impactful and effective resume, enhancing your marketability and readiness for your career journey. So when you have edited with all of the AI enhancements your resume, you'll click share here, and not share link, but download rather, and download as a PDF, PDF standard, download. And then that will be Blue Simple Professional CV Resume is the name for that one here. And then I will do View as Student. And I will simply click Start Assignment and copy and paste or type your submission here. So yeah, so I'm going to then add a, you could upload your PDF here, but I'm going to have to go and add the submission for a file upload, okay? So if you ended up doing copy and paste and pasting a link and you want to share it this way, as long as it gets to me, that's what's most important, but I'll add the PDF uploader as well. So when you see this, it will be to upload a PDF, and then you can add your reflection in the text box, okay? All right. All right. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I am always happy to help. Yeah, so this should be a very useful assignment, hopefully for you, and then you can use this resume for future jobs. And also this process, is very important, to think about the ATS systems and how the recruiters are going to be receiving this, your resume. You want your resume to be the number one resume by the time it actually gets to the humans, right? And that's just kind of getting through the AI first. Okay, so I gotta let you go. Reach out, like I said, if you have any questions at all. But anyway, next time. Bye.